What's up everyone, welcome back to another funny golf episode on the Young Rick YouTube channel, filled with laughs and bad shots as we battle the rainy elements. As always, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post next. Enjoy. Nick hit the wrong water.
Nice.
Boom! That shit was the clean as hell, bruh.
Why did I do that one the first time?
Yeah, I don't know. Alright, she'll play.
Yep. I think I put a dent in that wall. I'm serious. Should I sign my name like right next to it?
I got another one here.
It's the crusher. Well,
She'll play. Chip and a putt. You got it?
Oh, I missed it.
Okay. Splash.
Oh no!
Fudgers,
It
dude. This
barely
hole,
hit the.
this hole is a little brat. Yeah, so grab your nuts, twist them up,
Right.
say call. What?
It was literally just barely.
All right, Nick. It is 2:10 basically. Uh-oh. Gone forever.
The abyss. It claims another one. I think it claimed another soul.
Dude, mother trucker.
It claimed all three of us. Brooke, it claimed me, it claimed you.
Not the water though.
Yeah, I guess not the water.
Water can lick 9.
Whatever, dude.
Whatever, dude. We got a little Chapinski. Dr. Chapinski is Nick. 65 yards. Hey, Nick, I found it.
Yeah, it's sitting in a pile of mud.
Well, golly. Be humble. All right, here's the drop.
Well, I'm scared of putting it up.
Sit, bitch.
Joke.
Holy
Joke of a
tits.
sport we're playing.
yeah, that's what I did.
Oh, what am I doing?
Wait, guys, look.
Oh, no.
Look at the little turtle at the end of my shadow.
Oh, my gosh.
Where?
He's
Oh my.
Look at the little guy.
He's so.
This feels like a Wii Sports golf resort hole. Get it home, boob.
That thing better tell the. Ow.
Dude, they're actually swimming. Actually swimming.
Who, people?
Yeah, they're in the water behind the boat.
Where?
You see it, right?
Oh, I see it. I see it. All right, so I got a 1 over there, 2 in, 3,
How many
4,
yards is this?
5, 6, 7. That's not great. Yes. Goodbye, Volta. That is so close to the edge of glory.
Whoa!
Whoa, no!
No!
I never hit it freaking left.
Yes.
God, why couldn't I have done that? I didn't even hit the green, did I? All right, Nick. Forward progress, chip and a putt.
Dude.
A chip and a putt.
I
It's
just
hard
grabbed so much earth.
Look, Nick.
Oh, is it
Respectfully, I'm throwing this into the water. Come on,
let me
dude.
hit that.
That's rust.
Let me hit that.
Come on, bro.
That's part of my game, you know? Just the grunge of it.
Nice shot, Brooke. Oh, this doesn't have no plug, does it?
Nice, dude.
I got one in the water, 2, 3 there, 4. Yeah, I 2-putted 5. I got a 5 as well. Me and Brooke both have 36.
We're tied.
We're tied right now, and we still got 2 holes left on this front 9. I took a beer bottle, put it in my bottle.
Look, I think that tree grew around its old brother.
Kind of looks like that's his wiener because, like, you see his arms just poking out up top. See what I'm saying?
Oh man.
Nice wood, bro.
Dude, nice. Like legiterally.
Legiterally? Nice.
Like legit, literally. Legiterally. No.
Go over, go over, go over.
It's straight in the middle.
I took a beer bottle, put it in my bottle. Dude, we're like right by you, but you're farther. Look at that shit.
Because that was your second shot. That was my first shot.
Hey, that's all right. We're all just numbers out here.
Alright, this is for par if I hit this. If I sink this.
Yo, this is wet. Nice putt. Mother mudger. No.
Got me moving like this now.
Oh, he left it for us. Nice.
Hey, can you pick that up?
Oh, that's dark, bro. That's dark. About to get
That is bad.
I'm about to get tooted on.
Dude, I had to sink that.
Oh.
I had to sink that.
Yeah, that was nice. Nice freaking shot.
Probably the best shot I've had all day.
Nick got 5. I got a 6. What'd you get, Brooke? 5, 6, 7?
What is making that noise?
There's a dude down
Just a
there.
dude.
You know, it's a frog.
Yeah.
You don't have to overthink it. Yeah. Yes, yes. But you keep your head down. Yeah? Okay. Yes, yes. Nice shot.
There we go.
Hell yeah. Oh, I didn't even see it drop, but I know it's fine.
It's like, I think it's right in the middle.
Oh, there's Nick. Oh! Oh, shoot, Nick. You going for the green? Look at your little bum out. Your Uber's here. Get in. You hit that nicely. You hit that nicely, didn't you?
I didn't order one.
Hey,
You have one now.
I think it's just because I chunked it. Look at that. Getting like that blue still. How far are we, Dr. Chapinski?
Yeah. No. 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 Yes.
It's on the other side.
There's balls on the roof. I repeat.
Peel out.
Just gotta sink this one in all the way from back here.
Dr. Chapinski. 65 yards. Are you shitting me? There's a freaking fly just sitting on top of this. He just jumped at my lip. What the fuck? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. You're him.
Wait, so is this a par 3 though?
No, par 4.
Oh. Wait. I'm sinking this.
For
I'm
birdie?
sinking this for par.
Holy hell yeah.
No, no. Birdie, I never get birdie. That's never happening.
I never get a dirty 30.
I never get birdie, brother.
Nick, right there. Come on. Bag it. 1, 2,
I got a 5.
3 on 4. I got a 5 as
5.
well.
That's 5.
We all got 5s.
Look, Diddy's running.
Did he do it? Did he do it? Did he did it?
What did he do?
So maybe a P wedge. Let me back up.
What you just hit? He is up? Oh, you hit the stick.
Sorry, buddy. Poor little bugger. Put this on your...
Wait. Oh! Come on. Sorry, bro. I took the biggest payment ever. I'm Dr. Chipitinsky.
This is the ball you've had since you started.
Oh, it is. They do call me Dr. Chipitinsky, so.
Chipitinsky or just Chipinski?
Chipitinsky.
Go.
Oh.
Nice fucking shot. Dr. Chipinski on the clock.
What'd you guys get?
I got a 3.
Not 4.
What'd you get, bro?
4.
They should come out with part 2s sometime.
What did he say? I said no one ever.
Yeah, I said no one ever.
Wait, is this a par? Wow, this is a par 5. I didn't even realize that.
Par 6s.
Why?
Because it helps us.
No, it doesn't.
Look at how dark that is, but look at, see, everything new that's coming is good. So I think
This is true.
I think we're chilling.
I did the same thing. My lower back is like,
All right.
You got a 5 or a 7? Selma Lel? Nice shot. That was pushing up on him a little bit. I was like, hey, how about you boys speed it up? There's freaking 2 of you and there's 3 of us and we're on your ass. Get a move on. There's no one in front of them. They're like, yeah. Nice, yeah, nice. A deer.
oh yeah.
Nice.
One with rust on it. Look at the rain coming down, dude.
Whoa, you can see the Wayne.
Literally a wall.
You can see the Wayne Gretzky. Okay.
It's legitimately a wall.
Legitimately.
Look at the wall of rain. Nice.
Oh, baby.
It's a little sprinkly. I think we'll be alright.
What about that though?
I'm no meteorologist. I'm no geologist, bro. But that's a cumulonimbus.
That's a cumulonimbus.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
80 yards. I'm good for it.
Oh my god! Dang it.
Put one in your ass. Oh, wait. Did they go in? It went really straight.
You won't.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you know the drill. We got 115 yards in the Wayne, but we played the weekday rate, so you know we're gonna get our money's worth. We don't hit greens. Let's see if we can hit this one. No, it's short. Like your mother. Tip and a putt. Oh, That's it. Splish splash. Come on! All day today. Nice though, not bad. My club almost hit one out of my mouth. Maybe we do a little of this.
I mean, they're already wet though.
It's gonna, yeah, they're already soaked. The whole bag is soaked. Oh! Yeah, holy shit. Alright, doctor, let's see it. Yeah, you got a Chipinski. You got a chip and a putt. Oh! Yo, wait, that was kind of nice. Get up there.
Oh, it's coming down, bro.
Why is it coming down? That was a nice little shot. Get up there.
Oh, stop this for me.
Oh, nice shot. L, Dr. L. Oh, he went for it.
I used just this wedge the whole time.
Oh, okay. It's just, oh. Yeah, not gonna drive through that. Oh, brother, this ain't the most fun. Hey, stop. A little bit.
I'm in shambles right now. I'm not.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, I think the water takes my slice out a little bit. Like, oh, look at that sunshine. Woo! Why is the fairway going into the water?
I know.
Hit the gas. Hopefully I just didn't make it worse. Ooh! Yo! Uh-oh. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all she's gonna write for today. GoPro died, and there wasn't much golf left to play because the greens were so wet. Anyway, thank you guys again for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post next. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace!